How are you? We're now going to talk about digital twin and BIM. BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. This is a type of project management for the construction industry. BIM allows everyone from clients to contractors to visualize, update and monitor the site in 3D. It gives a view of what the project will look like. BIM can help to reduce errors, emissions and site clashes. BIM can also increase the efficiency of a project dramatically. Now, a digital twin is a virtual representation of a building that is tracked and updated throughout the building's life cycle. This is in the sense that the 3D model within the BIM software can be said to be an exact, up-to-date digital twin of the building under construction. Most notably, it's not a simple 3D model of the site, it is a collective of detailed information on every aspect of the building, from pipes, dimensions in the floor levels and steel frame positions. This form of construction management and has become very popular due to the increased benefits across the life cycle of the project. BIM is an extremely powerful tool which in the last decade has become an essential part of many major construction projects. At the initial stage of any major building design project, it is crucial to know what is happening on the ground. This is where land surveyors come into play. They can use a vast range of technology in order to provide a detailed topographical map of the site from the drones, and then with the aid of total stations and laser scanners to enhance the project information. Drones such as the M300 and the Phantom 4 Pro RTK range can also provide accurate point cloud data, digital elevation models and automosaics of the entire site. With accurate point cloud information, a digital twin of the entire site can be created showing the pre-built characteristics in detail. The twin can be kept up to date with weekly or monthly flight missions, depending on the needs and the benefits of the project. Two other significant benefits of using a drone at this stage of the project is rapid data collection and the ability to obtain automosaic of the entire site. This means that before any construction starts, the client, contractors and everyone in between can have an accurate record of exactly how the site should look moving forward. Drones can continue to be part of the BIM workflow. The use of drones will help each phase of the project. Developed through photogrammetry, this imagery can then be used for marketing, progress reports and even inspections. With ongoing inspections, the fundamental reason why BIM exists is to build everything right, first time. Although this goal is essentially seeking an unrealistic model of perfection, mistakes are always made. BIM aims to largely mitigate expensive rework. Ongoing inspections also play a fundamental role in catching errors, simply by identifying discrepancies between the design model and the real-world construction. Through high-resolution automosaic errors and indeed verifications of the construction across the site can take place. Large areas of excavation and roofs can be easily inspected using photogrammetry. This is a clear example of how drones can provide an avenue of communication with an obvious visual representation for those responsible on the ground. The construction industry has been using ever since the beginning of time. Even after completion, drones can be used to perform thermal inspections, showing areas in which heat is or more importantly not present. This adds an extra layer of data and provides a greater understanding of whether the building is performing to its efficiency targets. The DJI's MU's H20T sensor provides fantastic thermal imaging for this exact purpose. Now let's look at marketing. When the marketing aspect of a building project may not have a direct effect of the physical construction project. However, drone images and videos can provide impressive shots of the building's life cycle from start to finish. Creating an as-built digital twin of the building goes even one step further in showing off the successful completion of the project. Realistic digital twins can be produced in photogrammetric software, which include digital detailing showing the building and surrounding site. These digital twins can be shared across social media alongside images and videos to share the completion of the project and to provide impressive views of the new construction. Let's look at how drones for BIM and digital twin modeling works. Drones have the capability to add a great deal of value to BIM workflows. Force survey, production of regularly updated automosaics, digital twins, as well as promoting impressive marketing campaigns are all examples of how drones add value to the architectural, engineering and construction sectors. Survey Drones Ireland have the drones and expertise you need to effectively integrate into BIM workflows. Get in touch and you'll see how drones can be used to add value and efficiency to your work. That's it for now. Catch you on the next video. If you have any questions, by all means do get in touch. And once again, thanks for listening.